Yo, what's up YouTube? Modify Land coming at you with my Honda Ruckus GY6 swap. Come check a look. So here we have project, shoot. Your boy coming at you with Project Hot Import Nights or Bust. Yeah. That's right, I'm registering my Honda Ruckus to Hot Import Nights in Los Angeles. The challenge here is to get my Honda Ruckus as clean as possible, or bust, dog! Here is a 150cc 4-stroke long case GY6 motor engine with the 11-pole stator. I'm rocking the carbon fiber Yoshimura exhaust with Mojo Customs engine mount, paired with rear shock relocator for an 8-inch fatty tire setup. One of the first important upgrades I have to do is a new respectable paint job. Dude, this spray paint look ain't gonna cut it.
Oh hell no!
So I'll take it to a shop, get it powder coated, also bling out these frame caps. Yo, I'm still going hard with the stock front end, although very efficient. Looks wise, it's a bust. Alright, so let's check out some parts to upgrade. Here we have our stock rim, we got our stock forks, we have stock drum brakes, we have our stock fender, the triple tree driving stem, and we have our stock headlight setup. But that's all gonna change. We're going with the NCY Slam Forks disc brake conversion kit.
Jack in the crack. Hell yeah!
With the headlights, I'm replacing one and doing a lazy eye conversion from mnnthbx.com. Here is the NCY handlebar with the NCY handlebar stem, but I will be replacing the handlebar stem with the one from mojocustoms.com. Here we have a rear view mirror from Amazon, which is a bust. These are Pro Grip handlebar grips along with a NCY throttle tube, but the stock kill switch assembly is a bust. I'll be switching that. Cracks, chips, and more cracks, all from over tightening. So this time around, I'll be going with the stainless steel gas tank cover along with carbon fiber side steps. Also, I'll be filling this gap with a carbon fiber frame splitter. And I'm adding a stiffer stabilizer bar too, because why not, fool? Alright, this rinky dinky stinky gas cap is a bust, so I'll be replacing that. My variator cover is ugly. I also broke the kickstart. That's a bust. Here is my best attempt to reupholster the seat with fabric from a fabric store and a staple gun. For the most part, I am happy with it, but it needs a redo. Alright y'all, check out this cool budget hack I got going on. Here is the GY6 drum hub from mojocustoms.com. With this drum hub, you have so many bolt pattern options. You can fit a 5, 6, 7, 8, 10-inch rim on these. So what I did was I bought a golf cart rim for 80 bucks that matched these bolt patterns. Jack in the crack. Alright y'all, so we're about 40 days out from Hot Import Nights, and I'm barely gonna start my build here. But I'm facing some challenges, such as my front end conversion is on back order from coresport.com. I'm facing sold out parts, wait lists, kind of a challenge right now, but that's okay. We've got options, just keep researching, we're gonna get this done. Good news is that some parts already came in. I'm just happy to be part of the culture and to share this experience with you guys. So if you're juiced up just like I am, hit that subscribe button and we'll get the next video going. Until next time, y'all.